So that was our cabin for
4 weeks.
4 or 5 weeks. So it's packed up to the top.
Packed. There's not even space for a needle. It's like a haystack. It's like a haystack. All right, close it before something pops out.
Yeah.
Welcome back to another episode. We are close to moving out of the cabin and heading up the coast to get ready for the handover of our caravan, of our new home on wheels. And just going through our cabinets here in the cabin and packing all the stuff, trying to reduce the space it takes to be able to fit everything in the car. And yeah, if you want to know why I use this microphone here inside the cabin, it's because the air conditioner is behind me and I want to make sure that you hear what I'm saying and not having the noise of the air conditioner in the video. So I'm trying to pack our stuff, especially our clothes and linen and stuff, with taking as little space as possible in the car, because that is our last trip and we can't leave anything behind. We have to take everything we have because we're leaving as of tomorrow. So I don't know, I may be late to the party with this topic, but I've never used these bags that you can suck out the air of with your vacuum cleaner and then just, or seal it first and then suck out the air and shrink the bags. So these these vacuum storage bags, for example, that's what they're called most times. I have 2 packs. I bought a more expensive set, about $20 or so, with 3 different sizes in it at Woolworths a couple of weeks ago. And today, when I went to go shopping for some larger bags where we can carry other stuff in, I went to the cheap shop, one of these choice dollar shops, whatever they're called, and I found this pack of 2. They come in different sizes. This one is size M. They have different sizes, as I said. I thought this one should be right for our clothes. The size is written here as well. It's 55 centimeters by 75 centimeters. And there are 2 bags inside. They come with clips like this to seal the bag. And these bags also have, I'll show you the bag first. These are basically the bags, folded up like that, and they have this cap here where you unscrew the cap and then you attach your vacuum cleaner, and apparently it fits all. We have a stick vacuum cleaner and I just checked it first if it works before I'm recording the video to ensure showing you something that's valuable. So you unscrew the cap, you attach the vacuum cleaner, you turn the vacuum cleaner on, and then it shrinks, the bag shrinks, it suctions all the air out of the bag. I didn't realize it works that good, because this pack of 2 was much less expensive than the one from Woolworths. These 2 bags here, the storage bags, cost me $6 for the pack. Like a pack of 2 for $6 instead of pack of 3 for $20 at Woolworths. And I just dropped here something. I have to pick that up. Anyway, turning the camera now and show you how I pack and how I suck the air out of it. You may know, for me it's new, and some of you may don't know either. So yeah, if it's boring for you, just skip through the video and go to the next section. So okay, I'm now starting to pack my bag. As I said before, I already did a test pack, so I just sorted my clothes already. Keep in mind, when you're thinking that we have a lot of clothes, keep in mind this is our winter and our summer clothes, at least for me. So I'm packing my bag here with my stuff. The first load is a little bit tricky, but trying to fit as much in as I can, of course, but at the same time you have to keep it flat because you want to actually make sure that it is laying flat when you store it somewhere. So let me put that in here. Oh, hang on, I just put my pens in first. Larger items to the bottom, smaller items on the top. Doesn't have to be nice because you're unpacking it in 2 days again anyway. It's just for the transport during our move up to our son's place, just to ensure that we can stack as much in our car as we can. So, right. So now comes the interesting part. Checking that you can see that here. This clip here was in the package, and that actually helps you to connect these two parts here. They are like zip bags. So you attach this clip here, and then you press it together and you go one across, and if you slip off, that doesn't matter. You just attach it again and keep going until you actually reach the other side. So it is sealed here. I just go across another time just to make sure I didn't miss a spot. There you go. So properly sealed, but still you can see still pretty bulky. So I remove this cap here from the part where the vacuum cleaner attaches. This one here, the blue thing with the pink rubbery stuff on it. You attach the vacuum cleaner to the vent here, and then you turn the vacuum cleaner on and suck the air out. And I just come closer with the camera now to show you in a close-up how it works. So here you can see the vent, or whatever you call it. You attach the hole from your vacuum cleaner onto it. You turn the vacuum cleaner on and look at this. Look at the package. You see how that shrinks? So nice and flat sealed, and you just attach the plug again, and there you go. This is my pack of clothes, nice and flat. I don't need a suitcase, I don't need another bag. I just put this one in the car wherever it fits, and there you go. Very easy. I'm very surprised. We'll see how long it holds the air, but it should be fine, and I think it will later on, when we have the new Caravan, function to store my winter clothes when we are in the summer area, and vice versa. This is cool. Yeah. So I have another bag for Simon's clothes, and then we have the pack of 3 which we got from Woolworths, as I said earlier. This is the version from Woolworths for $20. It's a pack of 3 different sizes. This is the 3-bag combo. 1 medium, 1 large, 1 extra large. The extra large is for the doona and cushions. The large, we will see maybe our all our linen and all that stuff, and the medium, whatever is left over, we will see. but I think it's great for transporting something in the car, actually. Okay, the fridge is already in the car, and this is the tiny little rest. Hey, Simon? Look at his view. His face is like, what? Who's going on a roof rack? Dudley, do you want to travel on a roof rack? No? Why? So yeah, these few bags there.
Because it's uncomfy.
And a little bit of stuff here. And the clothes I packed earlier up there. So everything else is, oh yeah, a little bit here in the corner. Just a little bit, not much. So it shouldn't be a problem, but we will find out, hey?
Yeah. So that was our cabin for
4 weeks?
4 or 5 weeks.
4 weeks.
So I think everything is out.
Everything is out. Chapter closed.
Chapter closed.
Ready.
Yeah. So driver needs some space.
Welcome in our Tetris game. Hello, Dudley. Hello.
Yeah, you have to share.
There's not even space for a needle. Yeah. It's like a haystack. It's like a haystack. Alright, close it before something falls out.
Yeah. So you can't open up this door.
Please.
But you can see now I can't.
Do it.
No.
Oh, let's have a look what is.
No, see?
Oh, the camera weg. That is load number 3, is it right?
2.
Load number 3. On the first trip,
Yes.
we had Daddy with us and only stuff in the back. Yes. On the second trip, we went alone with the car packed, and that is the third trip with the 3 of us and the cars packed. So yeah. Goodbye, Kingscliff. Hello, van life again.